Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday. We got another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. This is coming from ANGU SPORTS on Amazon Prime. Links will be down below. Check them out. Really great company. They got some cool stuff to show you guys today. I got one item so far, and this thing is amazing. For all you campers, all you sports athletes, this one's definitely for you. Take advantage of Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. This is good, high quality, good material. Mountain carry-all boot bag. It has SBS zippers, separate padding pockets for goggles and stuff like that, socks or whatever you keep in for your camping trips. Heavy duty tarp lining, padded backpack and handbag ready, ventilation hose, and this is good stuff right here. Bada boom, look at that. So here's the kind of like a string accessory to tie it up, and right here is the headphones. You could slide your cord through this way and pull it down, and then your earbuds will stick out. And here's one pocket. These are deep padded pockets, so I believe it is weatherproof, so definitely a good bonus to have for your camping trips, especially this summer. It's coming fast, and I'm going to show, look how deep that is. Because fit definitely your wrestling boots, skiing boots, hockey equipment even, maybe a bowling ball. But yeah, definitely a couple pairs of shoes. Great survival type backpack. Here you could keep your money, your credit cards, so it won't get wet or damaged. This is that mesh part. Nice zippers, the SBS zippers. See, you can fit your cell phone, maybe a tablet, like one of those Amazon Fires or Kindles, whatever they're called. So there's a deep pocket for that. So helmets you could fit. Here's the side pockets. You could fit socks or, like I said, wrestling trunks or extra batting gloves. Be good for softball players. Got deep pockets in there. Put your food in there, your juice boxes, and then on the back. Okay, this strap right here, this was separate. It was inside this zipper. So once you unzip that, this is going to pop up. Easy to latch. It's a clamp right down here. Really easy to clamp on. You can switch it to left or right. Or you can, I believe, yeah. Here's the other side. All I got to do is just clamp it to that. Bada boom. It's easy peasy. And here's the backing. I'll show it on the table now. So as I showed you, here's the bottom. What it looks like. Great padding. It's like lumbar support. All that good stuff. So here's the other stuff up here. Another pocket up here. These are the nice soft padding right here. Great material. Great quality made. Made in the USA. And they got the safety lining right here. Like the reflective, like kind of like those vests. Here's a handle. Really strong grip. You can carry like that. Great to travel for vloggers, cameras you can fit in here. But it has nice, strong grip right there. This is nice one to get. This would be perfect for housewarming gift, birthdays, graduation, since that's around the corner for a lot of people these time of year, for their mountain expeditions, camping through the woods. It could be your bug out bag in case something goes off. This would be nice stuff to carry, some essentials. And that's about it though. Here's the front. Got the safety thing right here. Oh, there's like a handbag type thing. Carry like this. So, but that's the safety reflective type material that the like a flashlight or a blue light could reflect off of headlights and stuff like that, in case you get stranded somewhere. they could see you. But yeah, look at this quality though. Really impressed. Coming from ANGU on Amazon Prime. So thank you guys for sending me this. And YouTubers, check them out. Links will be down below. Get it at a low cost. All you gotta do, click the link and save some money. Make someone in your family happy. Or make yourself happy. But this is the way to go. Nice quality. Look at that deep pockets. Yeah, definitely could fit a bowling ball and stuff like that in here. And like I said, schoolwork, change of clothes, work clothes, gym clothes, basketball. You can fit a basketball and basketball shorts, socks, shoes. So many useful things this bag could be used for, and a great price right now. So YouTubers, be safe, have a good night, and I will see you guys soon.